FE Civil Exam Practice Problem 15 is asking us to compare the payback period between two different scenarios. So what is the payback period? The payback period is the length of time it takes an investment to regain its own initial cost through the annual benefits generated. In other words, it's the amount of time it takes you to recoup your investment from the revenue that you earn. So the payback period is equal to the cost divided by the uniform annual benefits. Because we're comparing the new automated system to the current system, we actually need to compare the initial cost of both by subtracting the difference and divide that by the change in the annual benefits between the two different scenarios. So let's compare the two systems. The initial cost of the current system is $1,000 and the manufacturing cost per unit is $1.50. The amount of units produced each year is 5,000. For the new system, the initial cost is $15,000. The manufacturing cost is 50 cents per unit, and it also makes 5,000 units per year. So again, the payback period is going to be your cost divided by your uniform annual benefits. So to compare the initial cost between the new and current system, we'll need to subtract those values. So 15,000 minus $1,000. Now we need to compare the annual benefits, and in this case, the annual benefit that you're getting to switching to an automated system is the amount of savings you're getting on the manufacturing costs. So we're going to subtract the new manufacturing cost from the old manufacturing cost. You want your payback period to be positive, so just keep that in mind. And then we're going to multiply the manufacturing cost by the amount of units produced per year, which is 5,000. The units cancel, and you're left with $14,000 divided by $5,000 per year, and you're left with 2.8 years. So the answer is B. How'd you do? Let me know in the comments, like, share, and follow for more FE Civil practice problems.